Hi friends, we will continue with chapter 4 of standard 7, that is simple equations. Okay, we were doing the exercise 4.1. Okay, today we will do the fourth sum. Okay, what is the question here? Look, write equations for the following statements. ओके अभी आपको स्टेटमेंट में से इक्वेशन बनाने का है. ओके समझा होगा, ऑलरेडी अपन ने किया है. तो ओके देखो, व्हाट इज हियर द सम ऑफ numbers x and 4. Two numbers are given, one is assumed that is x and other is 4, is 9. तो आप लोगों को मैंने बता के दिया इसका मतलब क्या है, इक्वल टू. ओके सम बोलेगा तो क्या है, प्लस. तो कैसा लिखेंगे, दैट इज x प्लस ओके 4 is equal to 9. Understand? Okay, like this. Now the second one is difference between. Difference बोले तो क्या है, माइनस है. Okay, that is okay y, which are the numbers, y and 2 are the numbers, that means y minus 2 again is बोलेगा तो equal to 8. Getting? Okay, next is the third one. What is the third one is? Third one is 10 times a is 70. अभी टाइम्स बोलेगा तो क्या है, इंटू है. तो 10 टाइम्स मतलब इंटू को अगर नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, कुछ सिंपल है. 10 ने is equal to what it is, 70. Getting? Okay, next is the fourth one. Okay, what is the fourth one is? Okay, the number b divided by 5 gives 6. Number b divided by मतलब upon, okay, divided by 5, okay, gives 6. Correct? Okay, next is 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of t is 50. Okay, fifth one. Okay, अभी देखो 3/4 of t, okay, is gives ना, it is okay 50. is बोले तो equal to. Sure? Getting? Easy? Okay, next one देखो, sixth one. Okay, sixth one is okay 7 times m. अभी 7 times m means 7 into m, 7m. Okay, 7 times m plus 7 gets equal to okay 77. Sure? Okay, next is 7. Okay, what it is, 1/4 of a number minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number मतलब m upon 4 भी लिख सकते हैं, 1/4m भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नंबर -4 gives मतलब इक्वल टू क्या है, 4. अंडरस्टैंड? इसको चाहिए तो ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, m/4 भी लिख सकते हैं, m/4 -4 is equal to 4 भी लिख सकता हूँ. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ओके इफ यू टेक अवे 6 from 6 times y. देखो 6 times y बोलेगा तो क्या है, 6 times y बोलेगा तो 6y. ओके, नाउ टेक अवे मीन्स माइनस. ये ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैंने बोला आपको इंग्लिश समझना पड़ेगा. ओके, टेक अवे मीन्स माइनस. ओके, टेक अवे 6, दैट इज -6. ओके, यू गेट 60, दैट इज इक्वल टू 60. समझ में आया? ओके, नेक्स्ट देखो, इट इज इफ यू ऐड 3 to 1/3 of z. अभी 1/3 of z बोलेगा तो क्या है, 1/3 z भी लिख सकता या z/3 भी लिख सकता. ओके, तो 1/3 of z. ओके, इफ यू ऐड 3 plus 3, ओके, यू गेट 30. गेट मीन्स इक्वल टू. समझ में आया? ओके, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू. फाइन. ओके, you make pause and do it fast. If any doubt, you comment. Okay, then we will go to the other sum. Now here write the following equation in statement. Here you have to convert it into statement. Okay, now the first one. Okay, what is the first one is, here it is p plus 4 is equal to, okay, p plus 4 is equal to, it is 15. तो क्या है, sum of a number p, okay, and 4 is 15. Okay, in the place of is, what is we are putting? Equal to we are putting. Okay, now the second one. Okay, what is the second one is m minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, that is on subtracting, okay, 7 from m, okay, you get, what you get? You get 3. है समझ में? Sure. Okay, next 2m is equal to 7. तो ये तो बहुत easy है. That is 2 times of m is 7. Got it? समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, करके ले लो जल्दी. Okay, you pause it and do. Okay. Okay, the next one. Fourth one. Okay, fourth one. Okay, what is the fourth one is? Here it is m upon 5. M upon 5 is equal to 6. Okay, m upon 5 is equal to 6 means क्या लिखेगा? 1/5. Correct? 1/5 of, okay, m is 6. Getting? Fifth one. What is the fifth one is? 3m upon 5, okay, is equal to 6. Okay. So how you will write? Okay, it is of 1/5. Here what you can write, if you want, you can write is 3/5. Okay, 3/5 of 3/5 of m is 6. Okay, understand? 3/5 of 3/5 means 3 upon 5. Okay, 3/5 of, okay, m is 6. Okay, otherwise 3 upon 5 times of m is equal to 6 also you can do. Getting? Okay, next is the sixth one. Okay, what is sixth one? It is 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. That is, okay, on adding 4 with the, okay, 3p you can write it as 3 times of p. 3 times of p you get, okay, what it is? 25. Getting? Understand? Okay, then the next one. What is the next one is? Seventh one. Okay, it is 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. Okay, on subtracting, on subtracting 2 from, okay, 4 times of p you get 18. Okay, and the last one, okay, what it is? It is p upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. That is, okay, how? Sum of half of p and 2 is 8. Got it? Fine? Got it well? Yes, do fast. Okay, sure, we'll continue. Yes. Okay, here look, here what is it? Okay, set up the equation. Same thing here it is. Okay, first question is it is of Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles. Okay, first one we are doing. Okay, says marbles Parmit has. Okay, now Irfan has 37 marbles. Take M. तो इधर दिया है. Okay, M to be the number of Parmit's marble. Okay, तो दिया है. That is let M be the, either in the place of take you can write let also. Okay, M be the. So how we can write? Irfan says that he has. Who has? Okay, this अपना. Okay, इरफान हास. इरफान के पास कितना दिया है ऑलरेडी 37 है. तो 37 हास इक्वल टू 7 मार्बल्स मोर. तो ऑलरेडी अपन ने बोला है 7 मार्बल्स मोर है तो +7 है. ओके, देन टाइम्स द मार्बल परमिट. 5 टाइम्स द मार्बल. 5 टाइम्स बोले तो क्या है 5m बराबर. तो वाइल राइटिंग ओके कैसा आंसर लिखेगा 5m ओके +7 इज इक्वल टू 37. ऐसा बनेगा. श्योर आया समझ में फर्स्ट वन का. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, सेकेंड वन. ओके, अभी सेकेंड वन में देखो हियर लक्ष्मीज फादर इज 49 years old. ओके, लक्ष्मीज फादर्स एज इज गिवन. उनका दिया है कि 49 years old है. ओके, ही इज 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, तो अभी let the अभी what did he let the okay Lakshmi's age be y years. Okay, तभी जाके क्या बोले अभी Lakshmi's father he is okay 4 years older than 3 times the. अभी he is means और Lakshmi's father is. Lakshmi's father बोलेगा तो 49. Okay, second question it is. Okay, 49 is he is okay 4 years older. 4 years means +4. Okay, then 3 times. Okay, that is 3 into 3 times. Okay, क्या है Lakshmi's age. That is 3x. Lakshmi's age is taken as y. 3y. Okay, so इसको properly कैसा लिखेगा 3y + 4 is equal to 49. Sure, got it well. Okay, कर लो. Then we will go to the next one. Okay, third one. Okay, what is the third one? The teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark +7. The highest mark scored is 87. Take the lowest mark as L. Let the lowest mark be L. It is given. Okay, अभी देखो तो the teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained. Highest mark कितना दिया है 87. Okay, that is third sum. Okay, that is 87. Highest mark obtained. Okay, क्या बोला है the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is equal to okay twice the lowest. That is 2l. okay, lowest l यूज करने बोले हम लोग ने. okay, 2l okay +7 हो गया. okay, that is लोग properly कैसे लिखेगा 2l + 7 is equal to 87. समझ में आया? That's all. okay, got it well. okay, then we will go to the other sum, last sum. Okay, here it is. What it is given in an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle बोले तो क्या है 2 sides congruent. उसको isosceles बोलते हैं ये दोनों. Okay, triangle the vertex angle is twice the base angle. अभी base angle बोले तो क्या है ये दोनों है. ये दोनों angle congruent रहता और vertex angle बोले तो ये angle. Okay, अभी देखो क्या है vertex angle is twice the base angle. Let the base angle be degree. Remember that yes, ये पूरा ऐड करने का टाइम क्या मिलेगा 180 मिलेगा. देखो ये पूरा ऐड करने का टाइम 180 मिलेगा. तो ये देखो ये x है ये x है तो 2x हो गया. तो इसका मेशर क्या रहेगा 180 - 2x रहेगा. समझ में आया? ओके, तो समझेगे नहीं तो सम इज 180 है करके देखो. तो क्या दिया है द वर्टेक्स एंगल इज ओके, वर्टेक्स एंगल बोलेगा तो क्या है, ट्वाइस द इज ट्वाइस इधर बेस एंगल। ओके, तो वर्टेक्स एंगल अभी कौन सा है, वर्टेक्स एंगल बोलेगा तो 180 माइनस 2x। ओके, इज मतलब इक्वल टू ट्वाइस, ओके, इधर बेस एंगल, इधर बेस एंगल मीन्स ओके दिस बोथ आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, दैट इज 2x। so either let the base angle be, we are considered as okay b दिया, oh okay, okay that is there, okay here I used x, okay what you have to do is okay b you have to use because they are especially given that the base angle is b, 2b, got it, like this it will come, sure, understand, okay here what is the important thing is sum of the measures of the angle. Abhi for example, okay for explanation it can be understand like this, let this angle be y, okay so that how it will be sum of the measures y plus x is equal to क्या है 180 है, बराबर है क्या नहीं, so that ये 2x हो गया, so y is equal to 180, अब ये 2x इधर आया तो क्या हो जाएगा माइनस 2x हो जाएगा, अंडरस्टैंड, सो y के जगह पे ये हो गया, तो अभी अपन ये वर्टेक्स एंगल मिला x माइनस, सो सॉरी 180, सो इट इज 180 माइनस 2x, ओके इस अभी क्या है 2 टाइम्स द बेस एंगल, ओके b, अगेन इट इज सॉरी हियर आई विल चेंज दिस, ओके दिस इज ऑफ b एक्चुअली, सो हियर आल्सो इट बिकम b, b, here also it is b, here also it will become b, okay so it is in 2b, understand, so here also it is of 180, okay minus 2b, understand, here it is, you will do that is 180 minus 180, yeah that is from there 180 minus okay 2b is equal to 2b, understand it, okay like this it must be, sure, got it well, okay so do it fast, okay and practice it again, okay if you completed once you can do one because it is very important, okay अगर आपको ये बराबर से समझेगा तभी आगे आपको कर सकता है और ये आपको मैथ्स में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, so for today it's enough, bye, have a nice day.